Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to block junk mail in Gmail. So this is gonna be a very easy one and a very fast one. But before we start, we'd like to ask you to please like and subscribe into our channel. This will help us a lot. So the first thing that we want to do here is we want to open up any browser that you have on your PC. So here, let's open this up and you want to go to mail.google.com and just basically log in into your account. So in here, as you can already see, I already have the labels that says unwanted emails. So what I did with my account is I actually filtered out the unwanted emails that I have on my account here. So typically when we actually have unwanted emails on our account, they usually contain hints that says unsubscribe. So for example, when we actually open up this email here, you'll be able to see at the very bottom, it says it's gonna be saying unsubscribe. So here at the very bottom, you'll see the unsubscribe button here or link. So for you to actually not receive junk email from this specific sender, then you just need to click on unsubscribe here, and that would actually stop you receiving those specific emails. But what if you're actually having a lot of these types of emails and you don't have the perfect track on what emails or who the senders are for you to actually block those email addresses? Then we could actually just create a label for this one. So for you to create a label, we'll actually go to our settings first, but we have a shortcut for this one. So first thing is you want to go to the top right of your screen. That's where your settings is. Just click on it, and from here you want to choose see all settings. In here you want to go to filters and block addresses, and from here you'll be able to see all of the filters that you've included in your account. You'll also be able to see all of the email addresses that you block, so you won't be able to receive those email addresses but will be actually redirected to your spam folder. So here, for us to actually block basically block junk email on Gmail, we want to create a filter. So from here, just click on create a new filter, and from here you want to say or include the following. So in this section that says has words, just type in unsubscribe. So as we discussed before, usually junk emails has this word that says unsubscribe. So we could just basically filter those out and basically use it as our means of filtering out what is junk and what is not junk on our account. So from here, just click on create a filter, and from here you want to enable the section that says apply the label, and from here you want to choose this one. Just create a new label for this one, and here you want to name or add the name for your label. So if you could actually name this as unwanted emails, but since I already have my label there set as unwanted emails, I'm just gonna say emails not needed and just click on create. Then from here, we also want to click on also apply filter to matching conversations, and from here just click on create filter. So when we actually go back into our inbox here, at first glance, you'll be able to see all of the junk emails that has the unsubscribe keyword on that specific email. So you can just basically avoid opening those up in your inbox here. But if you want to take this to another level, we could actually delete those email that we receive. So from here, we want to actually go to the settings again at the top right of our screen. From here, just click on see all settings, and from here we want to go to filters and block addresses again. So here we want to go to the section where we have edited our label. So for example, we have emails not needed, just click on edit. Then from here we want to click on continue, but if you want to add words that are filters into this one, you could go ahead and do that, but we're just gonna go ahead and click on continue. Then from here, instead of just clicking apply the label on this following, we also want to click on delete it. And from here, you want to click on update filter, and that would actually delete all of the emails that you'll receive on your account that has the unsubscribe email on it. So from here, just click on update, and that would update your filter, and every time you receive this email, it will be deleted from your account. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.